Hello and welcome to my channel, AH for Truth. I want to talk to you guys today about why many people who are Bitcoin maxis, who hate on XRP, are unable to understand the XRP ledger, or XRP as it were. If you're new to my channel, please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. If you're new to crypto, I wrote a book just for you. It's in the description. Crypto Made Easy, and a second book later on I wrote also, which is titled Cryptocurrencies, the Future of Banking, Finance, and Value Transfer is here. All right, let's get into what I'm talking about today. Look, there's a lot of people out there who that just hate on XRP. You should see them on X. It is these are people who have invested in Bitcoin, made money from Bitcoin, or they hold a Bitcoin, and then there's another group who don't really have much. They have a little bit of Bitcoin, but they really believe that they have $1,000 or $2,000 worth of Bitcoin. They're saving in Bitcoin. Not a bad idea, but is that the best idea? And they think, oh, they're going to become millionaires. There's this dystopian time where Bitcoin will be the only thing. Like I believe in Bitcoin. I think it'll get to 1 million one day. Look at the algorithm. Look at the tokenomics. The way it's designed, right? The halvings. But it won't be the only one. I have a video where I talked about XRP going to 60,000. That video did very well. That was actually one of my videos before Christmas of last year. And then I did another one too where I talked about XRP at very high values. Now, there's a lot of argument over market cap. We've dealt with that. I mean, we've talked about it over and over. Commodities do not, market caps don't apply to commodities. And XRP has been ruled by the courts a commodity. It's not a security. Yeah, so why many don't get it is because they're not applying their mind to very basic and simple things. Yes, crypto is a new technology. How I learned crypto, how I learned investing and all of that. First of all, I began to see it with the eyes that I used to see and compare other things in real life. So I'll give you an example, and I've said this before, I'll say it again. You see, the movie in 2023, I think June or July, that was released, where Elemental, that's the title of the movie, that actually the two stars of the movie are a guy and a girl, and this animated Pixar, right? The guy is called Wade Ripple, and the girl is Ember Lumen. Now think about it, okay? And as you know, movies actually, most of them are predict the future. They don't just predict, they actually put in the things they're going to do in the future. It's like an announcement of what's coming. So when you look at that movie, it's actually talking about the dated plumbing of a property where Ember Lumen's father ran his antique shop or whatever that was. And they were trying to hide it from the authorities. And Wade Ripple is the inspector who goes in there. Now, the more time passes, because I remember the day the movie was released, my wife and I went to watch it. Go research it. Ember Lumen and Wade Ripple, the movie Elemental. It's an animated Pixar, I believe it is, movie. When you look at the idea behind a water pipe, in that movie, they were talking about the basement, the pipes in the basement, and they were leaky. They need to be changed. Now, if they could have closed down the business if they knew about it. Now, I won't get into the rest of the movie because eventually the inspector got down there, which is Wade Ripple. Ripple is the inspector of the banking system, in a sense. So now let's apply that to construction. And maybe if you are listening or watching me today and you're a Bitcoin Maxi or you're a Maxi on any other project, look, let's come to realize that many of these crypto assets, particularly the ones working in the banking industry, will complement banking and non-banking financial industry, will end up complementing themselves. They're not competing. They're not competing. You think ADA is competing with XRP? You think, people come online and go, oh, Chainlink is the one. They are all the one for what they are designed to do. It's a whole massive, cryptoverse, space that you require different kinds of cryptocurrencies to carry out different things in order to bring about an entirely renewed, not just actually overhauled financial plumbing system. Okay, so back to the pipe. So this morning I was thinking about it. When you have a water pipe that's just been laid to move water from one end of the city to the other, from the waterworks all the way through from north to south. So assuming the waterworks is on the north, we have one massive waterworks in our city here, and moving water all the way to the south. As long as that pipe is not commissioned, there's a value to it. I've said this several times. I'll say it again here. There's a value to it. If all of the materials and everything laying and digging the ground costs $1 million, it will be reflected in a unit of $1 on the project. Now, this is the same thing that happens when the water begins to be moved. The value of that project, as it were, will explode, because now it's not just moving liquid. It's what the liquid is doing in all the houses that are built, in all the schools, in all the hospitals, in all the hotels, in all the parks, in all the watering the plants by the road. All that the water will do is a massive ecosystem, massive economy that is being built. What do you now value the pipes at? Well, you're going to multiply all those houses, multiply the water use, multiply the bills that are being paid. All of those things will translate into a massive economy. I've said this before. If you're building a hotel with 500 rooms, it doesn't matter. As long as you have not finished building the hotel, you can't make $500 per night per room for 500 rooms. It won't happen. You got to finish it. Well, you can finish it in sections. Floor 1 and 2 are finished, and you are going to floor 10, and people start coming into floor 1 and 2 if you want to do that. It helps you pay back your loan faster if you took a loan. It helps you get the business into profit, and shareholders, if there are happy, or owners, if this private, are happy. Listen, Ripple, XRP Ledger, Ripple as a company are moving underground quietly behind the scenes and building a massive economic financial system that the world is going to be amazed at. Now, one last thing that makes people fail to realize and understand what's going on. Who else has 1,700 non-disclosures? Who else, like if somebody has all these non-disclosures and then you want to know what's in it, like I always say, just look at what they're doing. That should tell you. Now, have you noticed that nobody else is talking about the non-disclosures? I'll put up a video later titled, "The Silence is Too Loud." It's too loud to ignore. The silence is too loud. So anyway, friends, that's all I have to say to you today. Please like, subscribe, and by the way, register for the Meme Koinology conference coming up on the 27th of this month, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. is going to be a wonderful time. That's Central Time, by the way, so you can plan if you plan to attend. For those of you who want to get into memes, you're just getting into crypto and you realize that, well, there might be an opportunity here. Let us help you, show you. Not financial advice. Everything I've said on here is not financial advice. This is just me sharing my opinion on things and my experience so far. I hope it blesses you. God bless you all. I'll see you in the next one.